This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tanya Davenport. The place seniors love to be. Many maintenance-free conveniences are being offered to homeowners in this charming artesian community, which provides more social life and time with family and friends. This vibrant home is situated on a peaceful corner lot boasting with curb appeal that is sure to catch your eye. From the community mowing for you and the irrigation installed by the owner, the only time spent outside will be watching your grass grow. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the seamless flowing foyer that leads to the spacious furnished living/dining/kitchen. Complementing this space are large windows providing natural light throughout. The kitchen is well equipped with modern appliances, ample storage space and a center island perfect for entertaining or casual dining. The main level provides a generous size master that will accommodate the largest of furnishings that you can find. The master leads out to a cozy patio furnished with an outdoor fireplace and entertainment space for guests, or enjoy intimate time by yourself. For the semi-retired, what sets this home apart from others, you have an additional space to separate business from pleasure. The upstairs provides versatile space that can serve as a home office or keep it for the overflow of company. The home is coming furnished. It is close to grocery stores and doctor offices for your convenience, and the retirement community offers a wide range of amenities and activities designed to enhance the lifestyle and well-being of its residents. Here are some of the highlights the community provides: fitness center, adult-only swimming pool, clubhouse for socializing and connecting with fellow residents in the community or create your own planned event to host, miles of walking trails to enjoy the natural beauty of the community, or chose taking a golf cart, their paths of lush green paths. For more information, review the details below.